subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Motorola has launched two new smartphones under G series called Moto G Power and Moto G Stylus. The Moto G Stylus is the company's first Android device that comes with a stylus pen. Talking about the specifications, the Moto G Stylus features a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus Max Vision display with a 19.17:9 aspect ratio and 89% screen to body ratio. The screen supports hole punch design at the top left corner for selfie camera. The smartphone comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 chipset paired with Adreno 610 GPU. The device packs with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage with microSD expansion support up to 512GB. As per the camera, the Moto G Stylus houses a triple camera setup on the rear with laser autofocus system and LED flash. The triple rear camera setup of the phone includes a 48MP main camera with f1.7 aperture plus 16MP ultra-wide angle camera with f2.2 aperture and a 2MP macro camera with f2.2 aperture. For selfies, there is a 16MP camera at the front with f2.0 aperture. The device comes equipped by 4000 mAh battery with 10W charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on latest Android 10 out of the box. Additionally, the Moto G Stylus also features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor which is equipped under the Motorola logo. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack and a USB Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 158.55 by 75.8 by 9.2mm and it weighs around 192 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Moto G Stylus has been priced at $300 and it is said to be soon available in the US and Canada. The global availability of Moto G Stylus is yet to reveal by the company and we expect Motorola to announce soon in the coming days. So what do you guys think of this Moto G Stylus? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.